Here is a bird's eye view taking the fourth exit of Charlie Brown's roundabout. As you can see here, entering the roundabout, you give way to the right because it is an uncontrolled roundabout, and you give way. As you move into the lane on the far right, you want to keep in the right hand lane, and then a new lane opens up as you go around the bend, and you must enter into the new lane as it says A406 on the floor, and then you want to maintain this lane. You don't need to go very fast on the roundabout, but maintain your lane here, and that's what's important. As you can see here, vehicles are crossing us and we have nice control over the car, and then as you come around the bend here, you automatically come off at the exit. Here, there we go. Now I want to make sure that it's clear from the right first of all. Here we are, it's clear. I'm into second gear and I just take it nice and easy in. There we go, like that. Nice, taking my time. There we go. I do need to move into the new lane here. The reason why is because it's the A406, so we've taken the fourth exit, you see. And there, I don't need to change my lane anymore, just maintain this lane, and that's it. There we go. And then I just maintain this lane, check my mirrors, I signal off because that's the third exit. So as I come up to my exit, I'm in my own lane. I just come nicely into there. There we are, got a red light ahead. Just taking my time, nice and slowly in, not rushing it. There we go. And we're done. And that's how you take the fourth exit at Charlie Brown's roundabout. Don't need to rush yourself and try to do it too quickly. That's the important thing. Take your time and maintain your lane. You don't need to be doing 40 miles per hour or going very fast because then you're not in control. You want to make sure that you want to maintain control, and that's important. And then build your speed up again. Now the speed limit is 40 miles per hour here, and it will change up to 50. So it's important that you build your speed up. Try to maintain the left lane because that's what you want to maintain. Keep to the left, the general rule of driving. And then we're going to head up to the Waterworks roundabout. Here's